Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPG version of the sticker mockup in Pixlr. So just go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then we'll double click this Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design Start a Design Project button. And then we can click the Open Image button to open the mockup off the computer. And depending on which mockup you purchased, you might have different backgrounds. So just find the JPG image with the background you like and open it up. It'll ask us if we want to size it down. We'll just click Original and then click Apply. And now to add your design, just click on this icon on the left hand side here of the square with the diagonal lines. It says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then click Add Media, browse your own files. And then just find your design off the computer. And you might want to resize that. I'm just going to press Control- to zoom in on a PC. It would be Command- on a Mac. And then I'll just click and drag any one of the four corners to size the image. And you can kind of click in the middle where you see that 4-arrow move tool and click and drag to move it. I'm going to press Control+ on a PC to zoom in. It would be Command+ on a Mac. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move it. And then when you're done, you just want to save it. So I'll click this Save button at the bottom here. Now if you're going to use this as a thumbnail online on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPG. We'll change the quality to 100, make sure JPG selected, and we'll leave it on high, and just click Save As. And then just save it wherever you want on your computer. And I'm going to close this. If you wanted a layered Pixlr document, you can just come back here again and click Save a second time. Except this time you would select PXC, and I'd probably click and drag to toggle the non-destructive on first, and then click Save As. One other thing is you could change the blend mode on this sticker so that the slightly off-white color shows through a little more to make it look a little bit more natural. To do that, we'll click on the layer with the design, and then click the 3-dot icon in the upper right hand corner of the thumbnail icon in the layer menu. Then when the layer menu pops up, we'll just change the drop down menu under blend mode from none to multiply, and that makes it just knock out the white background I had there so that it's slightly off white. It looks a little more natural. That's all there is to adding your design to the sticker mockup in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.